What are you doing today?
Nothing better to do on Sunday than to clean your car. I saw this product on television and I want to make sure it works. If it doesn't, I will tell you. It is called Shine On. So at the end of the day, it does a pretty good job. I'm glad, especially for people who live in an apartment. I'm lucky I live in a home and I've got access to a hose, but for the one who don't, it's the perfect product. It gives you a real shine, it works on the glass, it really delivers most everything that it says it does. So, thumbs up.
Ta-da!